Hi, my name is Brian, and there's a bird in our screen porch, and we're gonna try to catch it. This is not the happiest bird in the world right now. I'm gonna try to catch it. He's probably very traumatized. Doesn't know that I'm helping him. Just like God cares about the sparrow when it falls, He cares about people too. This bird keeps getting away. Just touch it. There's a birdie. If you want to catch an animal, it's really easy. You just get it in your screen porch. It's kind of like cheating. Here he goes. He's not going to be here any longer. He doesn't know he's free. Ah, he's biting. He actually makes an indent that hurts. Ah, he got me again. I need to let this bird go sooner. Might go let him go right now. Here he goes. If you like this video, please click the red subscribe button and the like button below for more creature catching episodes. Until next time, God bless.